Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to easily update GPU or graphics card on Windows 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters. Select your display adapter. Right-click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. Searching online for drivers. Downloading drivers started. Installing drivers. Display driver successfully updated. Close and exit Device Manager. Restart your system. Second method is, right-click Taskbar, Task Manager. Click Performance tab. Click GPU. My GPU is Intel HD Graphics 4400. Open browser. Search with your Graphics card details. Click Download page. Select your operating system. Next, find your system type 32-bit or 64-bit. Type this PC in Windows search bar. Right-click this PC, Properties. Find your system type. My system type is 64-bit. Now you can download with 64-bit support. Click to accept the license agreements. Click Save. Click Open Folder. Click Next. Click Next. Click Finish to restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.